prove that root 2 is an irrational number. Let us assume that root 2 is an rational number. Root 2 is a rational number. Root 2 is equal to a by b, where a and b are co-primes. A square equal to 2b square. Squaring on both sides, we get a square equal to b square. Let us assume that it has an equation 1. If 2 divides a square, then 2 divides a also. Now let us assume that a equal to 2c. Substitute a equal to 2c in equation 1, we get 2c square, 2c whole square equal to 2b square. 4c square equal to b square. B square equal to 2c square. Which means 2 is also divides b, which is contradiction to the assumption of a and b are co-primes. 2 is an irrational number. Therefore, 2 is an irrational number.